The idea for the conference was actually hatched in a New Zealand pub, and we had became aware of just how serious global productivity and labor shortage issues were within the construction industry. Our conference setup basically is made up of keynote speakers, session speakers, and then we have 45 exhibitors.
There's a need to build the housing, and there's an inability, based on current techniques and the current workforce, to do so. Hence, the idea of off-site construction.
I think the reason that it's been slow to take off is the fact that it requires a pretty massive investment to build a factory. One thing that really adds a lot of costs to buildings is how slow the process is. You know, a lot of this conference is about the off-site manufacturing piece and quick field assembly.
Off-site construction is much further ahead in Europe and Japan, still embryonic in North America, but growing exponentially.
You also get to meet new people that are coming into the industry, new competitors coming into the industry, and it's, I think, a very good opportunity to share thoughts with everybody that's in the space. So I think it's very helpful to have the Europeans here, have the Canadians here, have the Americans here, people from Australia. Puts a real strong emphasis on where we can learn from those insights and apply them here.
Building with wood is very sustainable because we keep growing wood.
The more that we can use timber in construction products for the delivery of the built environment, the longer you can sequestrate carbon, rather than going straight to, being used for energy production. That should be at end of life.
So getting people in the room that have a diversity of thought and ideas and success is incredibly valuable. And IWBC is the only environment where I've been able to do that.
I think there's a real energy here. I think it's, and I think what's also been good is it's a cross-section of conversations. And I think that what that helps to do is stimulate new ideas.
Expanding your mind by coming to a conference like this will enhance your career going forward and then move into that next generation of building.
One of the big challenges today is a knowledge gap. It's our hope that we can bring everyone together again under one roof so that they can exchange ideas and so that they can get more comfortable, basically, with off-site construction.
For 2020, we're taking IWBC to a much higher level by co-locating with ABX20, the Northeast's largest design and construction trade event, to a target-rich audience of more than 4,000 architects, 800 builders and contractors, 400 engineers, and 250 developers. Booths and sponsorships are selling out fast, so don't delay. Book yours today, and we'll catch up with you in Boston.